Rough country fans. I'm a huge rough country fan, I really am. Bought the new adjustable track bar for my 2003 TJ, and it comes with this relocation bracket, drop bracket. And just a word of caution, before you get started on this, you have to, right here, drill out a 29/32 hole through the frame to put a sleeve, and a 29/32 bit is extremely difficult to find. I finally found one at a local supply store for $50. You could get them cheaper. I found one on eBay for $11, but I'd already started taking the Jeep apart, so in order to finish it, I had to spend the money on the drill bit. Really, the first flaw that I found with anything to do with rough country, it's an odd size. Once you drill the holes out, the sleeves are actually a little loose in there. I would have thought they would have been a little bit more snug. And anyway, I'll keep you posted on the progress here. You can see the old track bar laying in the floor there. It was shot. So I'm putting the new rough country adjustable track bar on this. I've got a 2003 TJ with a 4-inch rough country lift, and I'll keep you posted here on the install. But this is the first obstacle that I found. It also recommends putting the extended pitman arm, which I've ordered. It's not necessary, but it will correct some more of the steering angles, so I will put that on. But for the time being, we're working on the install here.